Want to share your thoughts with the world? You're in luck. There are amazing platforms ready to help. Two popular choices are Wix and Medium. Both let you create and share content, but they do it in different ways. Wix is like building your own online home. You have lots of control over design and features. Medium is like joining a buzzing coffee shop. It's a place to share your writing with a built-in audience. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. Wix is all about giving you the tools to build a website exactly how you want it. It's like having a box of digital Lego blocks. Want a blog, an online store, or a portfolio? Wix can do it. You can even add exciting features like online bookings and payment options. Wix is popular too. Over 200 million people around the world use Wix to build their online presence. Wix has many great things to offer. Easy to use. Even if you're new to websites, Wix makes it simple. Drag, drop, and you're good to go. Looks fantastic. Wix has beautiful templates to make your website look professional, all in one solution. You can manage everything in one place, your website, blog, and even your online store. But there are a few things to keep in mind. Can be pricey. While Wix has a free plan, you'll need a paid plan to unlock all the features and get rid of ads. Section 4, Medium, where words take center stage. Medium is a platform built for writers, by writers. It's a place where stories come alive. Think of it like a digital magazine. You can write about anything that interests you, from personal experiences to expert insights. Medium is all about the words. It has a clean and simple design that puts your writing front and center. Section 5, Medium, a platform with pros and cons. Here's what's great about Medium: easy to start writing. No need to set up a website. Just create an account and start typing. Built-in audience. Medium has millions of readers, so your writing has the potential to reach a wide audience. Focus on writing. Medium takes care of the technical stuff so you can focus on what you do best, writing. Here are some things to consider. Less control. You have limited options for customizing your profile and articles. Limited earning potential. While you can earn money on Medium, it's not as easy as other platforms. Section 6, which one is right for you? So, which platform should you choose? It depends on your goals. Choose Wix if you want complete control over your online presence. Need a website with multiple features like an online store or booking system. Don't mind investing some time and money to build your website. Choose Medium if you want to focus solely on writing and sharing your thoughts. Are looking for a platform with a built-in audience. Prefer a simple and easy-to-use interface. Section 7, ready, set, create. Both Wix and Medium offer fantastic opportunities to share your creativity with the world. Whichever platform you choose, remember the most important thing is to have fun and let your voice be heard.